Hello YouTube. Today I'll be filming the video of my brand new brush. The 555. It's the 555 Wave Forza brush. I think it's a soft or hard brush. Shit, Wave Forza. Shit. 555. I've been using this brush lately. This brush been giving me, like, I put that Sporting Waves in that motherfucker. Like I put that grease in my head though. That Sporting Waves grease, I put that in my head. Cause some of you probably had watched my video of Sporting Waves. I think I had about like 8 views or 10 views of my Sporting Wave video. I put Sporting Wave grease in my head. I don't put 360 condition. I don't put the gold can of Sporting Waves in my head. I use the black can of Sporting Waves. I use the black can of Sporting Wave grease. Then I use this brush, the 555 Wave Forza. Real good brush. Good ass brush. Down the line, I think I might end up giving me some more brushes, you remember, cause some of y'all that been watching my videos, my last couple of videos. Some of y'all that been watching my last couple of videos. I had a 510. See, look, 555, 555. The last video I had a 510 brush. You know, like, it was a brush. It had a soft side and a hard side. One of them was I had a hard side and a soft side brush. But I got that one in my mom's car. Cause whenever I don't have enough time to brush at home, I can brush inside my mom's car. So my Wave Forza 510 is in my mom's car. Sometimes I brush in my mom's car. Sometimes if I don't have enough time to brush my hair inside the house, I can brush my hair inside the car. That's why I decided to buy a new brush. And this brush is the 555. And my old brush is a 510. I got 2 brushes, but the other one's in the car. And you can get waves practically with any hard brush or soft brush. It don't matter. And if you ain't seen my video about an old school classic GTO car, you can go see it if you want to. And if you ain't seen a video about my about a Pimpmobile vehicle that I got on my YouTube channel, if you ain't seen a Pimpmobile, if you ain't seen my Pimpmobile, if you haven't seen a Pimpmobile car on my channel, like, if you want to go see it, type in Leonard Harrison, type in Harrison twice, type in Leonard once, and type in Harrison twice. I made a video, I think, last month about a Pimpmobile vehicle car. It's up to you whether you want to go see the video of me revealing a car or not. It's an old Pimpmobile car, and it's another classic GTO car. And yes, you can hear music. I'm listening to that little Boosie. Listening to Lil Boosie. Cause you know I gotta stay up ass. See, look, I even got Lil Boosie written right here. Boosie, my nigga. I might make one more video tonight. It's up to you whether you want to go check out some videos of the cars that I got on there. I only got but 2 cars on this channel. 2 antique cars on this channel. It's up to you whether you want to subscribe or not.